Hi everyone, welcome back to Jabara. It's Barb. So some of y'all have been wondering where I get my jewelry from. So we're going to start today's video out with our sponsor. This jewelry is from Ana Luisa. So before we get into cleaning, I wanted to show y'all these new pieces. They just sent me these. They are stunning, so dainty and elegant, and they give you the perfect touch of accessory to any outfit. I got these for everyday wear. Ana Luisa is very affordable, and these pieces would make a great gift for you, or you could gift them to someone. They offer speedy delivery all over the world. You can follow them on Instagram and subscribe to their newsletter so you can stay in the know about new releases and exclusive sales. If you go down to the description box of this video, you can click that link and save 20% by using code JABARA20. As I said before, the pieces are very affordable, starting at just $39. They have a range of styles and pieces to choose from. There's definitely something for everyone. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. And thank you for this gorgeous jewelry. I will wear it all the time. See me though, 'cause the short foot on the shelf. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. So we're going to go ahead and start here in the bedroom. This is really all we're going to work on today is the bedroom and the bathroom. The bedroom doesn't look that bad, but it was filthy, dusty. The carpets were disgusting. Some smells going on in here. As y'all know, we got a puppy, Sadie, and she's actually more like, well, she's a puppy, but she's very big. She's at a little over 55 pounds now, but she does sleep in the bed with us. She's always with us. I am not used to all the smells of a dog, but I love her and I just, go with it. But anyway, I took all the sheets and everything off the bed this morning. So I was washing the comforters and the sheets and everything in here. I'm going to go ahead and dust the windows. They were filthy around them. But first I needed to clean up all the clutter that was everywhere and all that good stuff. Some of y'all have asked me about this little fireplace here. Those are on Amazon. The only reason I didn't share it with y'all is because it wasn't fun putting it together. Some of the pieces weren't that great. The tools they sent weren't great. So yeah, that's why I haven't really talked about it that much, but, it's there now, and it is nice to have under our little TV in here. I don't know if it'll stay there forever. We might end up moving it to the boys' room eventually. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep straightening all this stuff up, waiting for everything to get washed. As y'all know, when you're doing bedding, those days take forever with laundry, trying to wash and dry all the big stuff. Very blessed to have a washer and dryer that can handle all that, but yeah, it takes a long time to get it all done. It's usually an all-day thing, so I don't get any other laundry done. I'm thinking at the beginning of the year, I want to do a huge house clean, declutter, a bunch of stuff like that. And I've been wanting to try some of the cleaning routines that are out there. So let me know if you are going to be interested in watching all that. We're going to be trying different ones every week to see which ones work better for us. So yeah, I've never really stuck to a cleaning routine or had a cleaning routine for that matter, but I really want to try something different and try to get on a schedule here where when it comes to laundry and all that, I just get so behind. I know I've known people that wash laundry every single day. They put a load in the morning, take it out at night, put it away. And I really think that is the best way to do laundry. But then again, I feel like that doesn't always happen. And it's always easy for me to wash and dry it. But the putting away part kind of gets delayed. And then it turns into a big mess. So I don't know. I want to try some new stuff next year when it comes to cleaning and keeping the house clean. I just felt overwhelmed, and it just happens so fast where the house is just, I can have it so clean and the very next day it can be destroyed. There's a lot of people living here. My kids are homeschooled, so they are always home. We make all the meals here. We really don't ever go out to eat. Every now and then we will, but not a lot. So I cook a lot, I clean a lot, wash a lot of dishes. Just, it's a constant thing. And now that I do YouTube as well, I have to take out a few hours every day or every other day to just sit and edit, do voiceovers, and that takes time as well. So yeah, the house gets crazy. A lot of y'all are, you support me, and you're very, that I'm relatable because my house is like this. But it does take a lot of courage to even show my house as messy as I do sometimes on YouTube. It's, I'm always just waiting for the rude comments to come in, even though they really don't bother me much. It's just a lot putting yourself out there like that. I know why the girls, when they, get a lot more subscribers, they tend to keep their house cleaner or not show so much, and that's because of all the hate they get if they do. But I'm going to keep it real and we'll work on this together, I guess. I just don't see an easy way around it, especially when you have kids and you're working, and your house is not going to be perfect all the time. And right now, like I said, it smells like a dog. And we love Sadie so much. She is so precious, but it is like having another toddler in the house, and her and our toddler, actually, their energy matches and they feed off each other. And once those two get going, it's crazy. But we love having her. But like I said, I used to have dogs a lot when I was a kid. We always had dogs in the house. When me and my husband first got married, we did have dogs for a while. And then when we moved here, we hadn't had a dog in the house in years and years and years. And it was just because we had just bought the house. This house is only maybe 4 years old now. So we were terrified to bring an animal in it. We were already, because it's a double wide, we even thought the kids would be too hard on it, but it has lasted through the kids. But I didn't want a dog or a cat in the house. But Sadie kind of just came to us through a friend, and we couldn't say no. We live on a ranch. We're out in the country. I've always liked dogs that are used for protection. So she is like our first line of defense now, and we're training her, and she's doing really good. But yeah, it's different just trying to keep the house clean, having a massive beast in it. But she's such a sweetheart, and I'm going to tolerate it, and I'm going to do the labor of love, and I'm going to clean up after her and love her and just go with it, because it's too late now. I've already fallen in love. So anyway, we're almost done cleaning up the bathroom. I'm not going to do the showers and the tub. I need to do that, but I have been cleaning the toilets every day. That's one thing that I have gotten really good about. The toilets, we usually make sure the dishes are washed every night. Every now and then that gets away from me too, though. But yeah, we've been trying to do little things like that every day, but it's just, I can't keep up with everything all the time. But when I do clean the house, I clean the heck out of it. And it's just so peaceful and relaxing to have a clean, clutter-free home, to just not have stuff laying around everywhere. So anyway, I do a lot of cleaning on this channel. If you're new here, then please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications and all that good stuff. Comment down below. We have just a really nice, beautiful community here. Everybody supports each other. Everybody's really kind, and I just appreciate the heck out of all of you. So yeah, for the mirrors, I'm using Spray Away Glass Cleaner. My subscribers, if you've been here a while, you know that's my jam. That's all I really use when it comes to windows and mirrors and stuff like that. And now I'm just going to vacuum up the floor real quick. We're going to steam mop it, and then we'll go finish getting the bed put together, and I'll show y'all how all that turned out at the end of the video. My mother-in-law had ordered us this little package on Amazon, and it's for vase fillers, and it was a really fun little project, so I went ahead and threw that in this video for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy that as well.
usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for.
So this is how the room turned out. I love my room when it's all clean like this. I am in the market for some new nightstands. We're going to be going to Houston soon, and I kind of want to go see if I can find anything over there on that side of town, or where my mom lives. I don't know. I haven't really had any luck finding some nightstands here. I do have a desk outside that I could turn into nightstands. Been thinking about that too. So here's the project. These are, my kids call these Orbeez. I don't know what they are. They're some kind of little bead that you put water in and then they swell up. And it is so relaxing. The night I did this, I even shared on my Instagram. I was like, I could just sit here and play with these all night. It was so relaxing. It felt so good. But you just put the water in these. I filled it up a couple of times. My husband thought it needed more water, so we did it again. But this is as big as they got, which they're a nice size. I know they have bigger ones out there as well. I have never fooled with anything like this, so this was all new to me. But I've just taken these little things and putting them in there. All these little things came in the package. You can use them for so many different things. I saw on Amazon where people make floating candles out of them, so I'm thinking about ordering some glass jars for that next year. Right now we are on a budget. I'm sure everybody's on a budget, but like trying to get all the kids taken care of for Christmas is not easy, especially this year. So we're definitely on a budget. I'm not buying any more decor or anything as bad as I want to. I am taking I'm not going to do that. So anyway, but this was a really fun project. I'm glad my mother-in-law sent it to us. The kids really like it too. I've caught them playing in it already, moving the little balls around in there. But it's just really cool how the Orbeez, we're going to call them since the kids call them that, just make things stay in the water. So, and my husband really liked it too. And he was saying that he wanted to get some more of those little things to do stuff with. But yeah, it was a really cool little project, and I hope that y'all enjoy watching it. Like I said, I've never done it before, so it was like an experiment for me too. Maybe I think they would have, maybe I should have used a smaller vase, but I like the way it turned out. And like I said, next year we'll go ahead and maybe try the floating candles and do that with them. I'm going to put them away for next year for sure. I need to go through all my other Christmas stuff that I ended up not putting out. Some stuff I need to get rid of. I need to start really organizing all my holiday decor. And we need to clean the barn. I've been telling y'all that for, a year now. But we need to clean the barn still. We are going to film that. We're going to take just, I don't know, maybe a whole week. I need to be caught up on work and everything just so I can work on that nonstop, because once I get started on it, I know I'm not going to want to stop until it's complete. So we have a lot to get rid of. I have a whole little furniture section out there where I have dressers and desks and all kinds of stuff that I have these hopes and dreams of refinishing and either flipping them or keeping them. I don't know. Gifting them, but I really like woodworking. I just don't do it as much these days. But yeah, I need to get out there and do that stuff too. So I'll take y'all along with me for that, because that should be really interesting seeing what we pull out of that barn. But yeah, So this is a lot of fun. It was really relaxing. If y'all want to check it out, I'll link this down below as well. You can get it on Amazon. I think it was like 16 or 17 bucks, so not expensive at all, but just really cute, especially if you get you some little glass jars, get you some floating candles or something. But it's just cool how the little Orbeez make the ornaments stay there, and it's just really cute. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will talk to y'all in the next one. I love you all. Don't forget to go check out Ana Luisa, 20% off. It's linked down in the description. I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.